Hi everyone, my name is Sarian and welcome to IPSY Beauty 101. Today we are going to talk about face primers. In this video, I'm going to talk about face primers, who they're for, what type of skin type they're for, how to use them, and just everything you need to know about face primers. You may be asking yourself, well, what is a face primer? A face primer is great for all skin types. It helps prolong the wear of your makeup, and there's tons of options out there. Some help you stay matte throughout the day, some add hydration, some add luminosity. It really depends on what you're looking for and your skin type. How to apply a face primer. It's actually very easy. You just want to start off with cleansed skin. Use a pea-size amount. You can use your fingers or a flat foundation brush to apply the primer, starting at the center of the face and then in a circular motion, just going downwards. And then it's up to you. You can put it in targeted areas if you're using like a green primer, or you can put it all over the face if you want an all-over luminosity. This one is an illuminating primer. This is great for any skin type. If you're looking for a healthy glow, this is gonna do the trick. You can wear it alone as your face primer. You can mix it in with the foundation. You can mix it in with your moisturizer. If you're looking to just have that nice radiant glow, something like this will do the trick. Color correcting primers are great for all skin types, and what a color correcting primer is going to do is, you guessed it, color correct. So if you have a lot of redness in the face, maybe hyperpigmentation, dark spots, whatever the case may be, a color correcting primer will help reduce the pigment in the skin and create a nice smooth canvas when you go and apply your foundation. Peach primers are great for any uneven pigmentation. Green primer works great for neutralizing redness in the skin. Purple primers eliminate unwanted yellow undertone. Yellow primers hide blue-purple blood vessels beneath the surface of the skin and can also be great for bluish tones under the eyes. Here we're showing how to use the green primer in reducing redness, and also the peach primer to help reduce hyperpigmentation or discoloration. We have a primer water, and this is good for normal to dry skin types. It's going to help hydrate the skin. It has a water-like consistency, and it's also great for applying before your foundation to help it last all day, but also to set your foundation as well afterwards. This one you don't need to rub into the skin. You can spray it directly on, let it dry, and you're good to go. And we have a hydrating primer. This has hyaluronic acid in it, which is going to give a deep hydration to the skin. It's also going to plump fine lines and wrinkles and give a dewy finish. If you are looking for a smooth canvas or a deep hydration to the skin, I would definitely recommend this one. Then we have a matte primer. So this is great for anyone out there who has oily skin types or larger pores. This is gonna keep you shine-free all day, but also smooth out the surface of the skin so your makeup doesn't lay in any of the larger pores you may have. You just wanna apply with your fingers and then let it dry and you're good to go. I hope this video helps you determine which primer is best for your skin type. Let me know what you think down below. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.